Let me show you how to turn off safe search on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and certain websites are not allowed, that's because you have safe search turned on. It can be on your iPhone in the settings, in addition to Google. I'll show you how to turn off both, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's exit out of the Safari app here. And from here, let's go into the Settings app on your iPhone. We need to make sure screen time is not the culprit, eliminating your ability to view websites and see maybe mature or adult content. So from here, let's scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now, keep in mind on here, if you scroll down, there could be a lock on your screen time settings. If there is a passcode that was set by a parent or another person, you'll need that passcode to be able to essentially unlock and turn off these settings within the screen time. But in this case, I don't have one, and I can tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. You can see at the very top, it is turned on, indicating that it is limiting some of the functionality. We're going to go into App Store, Media, Web, and Games. And now from here, all we need to do is scroll down and you can see web content. This is the first place that could be limiting you. You can see it's set to only approved websites, and it might be set to limit adult websites as well. If you want it to completely to be turned off, you can set it to unrestricted. I would also recommend just going back out of here and completely turning off content and privacy restrictions. Now, after we've done that, let's open up Safari and see if Google works. If it doesn't work immediately, just close out of Safari and open it back up again. However, keep in mind when you're on Google, there could be safe search settings within Google itself. So to turn those off, all we're going to do is go to google.com/safe search. Again, google.com/safe search. From here, you can see the search, it might be set to filter or blur. And to turn it off, you just need to switch it off. Of course, you need to be signed into your account if you want this to stick to your specific account. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.